Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone app not downloading. If you have an iPhone and your apps are not working, that your apps are not downloading or installing, so you just have to follow some settings. Here's the App Store, and you are unable to install or download apps from here. So for this you just have to first make sure that you are connected to a stable network, which is Wi-Fi or cellular. And if you are connected but it's still not working, so you just have to enable airplane mode briefly for 5 or 10 seconds, and after that turn it off. And now you have to open any of website on any browser. Open browser, and here open any website. As you can see, it's open. That it's mean I am connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. And after that you just have to open your phone settings, and here scroll down, look for screen time. Here's that, tap on it, and screen time you have another settings, so just scroll down again, and here content and privacy restrictions, just tap on it, and here you can see this is enabled. First you have to disable it. After disabling it, you just have to wait for briefly 5 or 10 seconds, and after that just enable it. For it you have refreshed all the settings, and after that first open the second, and here you have to check that these all features are enabled. Now go back, and here open the first option, which is iTunes and App Store purchases. Tap on it, and here installing app, tap on it, and you make sure to allow this. After this you just have to go back and go to settings, and in settings you have to look for apps. In apps, look for App Store. Here's that, tap on it. In App Store you have an option of automatic downloads. You have to enable it, and after enabling this you have the second option, which is app downloads. Tap on it, and here tap on always allow. And now you have successfully fixed the problem of your app store, and now you can easily download or install any app from your app store on iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.